Life is all around you. Your care.
Good morning, everyone. So I'm looking at the charts here. If we just keep grinding lower today, I don't think I'm going to be too interested. Just because it's Friday. If we take a look at the daily time frame, obviously our main target for the week has been traded to right here. Too many lines on my chart. If you look at this volume imbalance on ES1, you won't see it on the current contract. But if you go to ES1 and NQ1, you'll see on NQ we're trading as a volume imbalance on the daily. And that weekly fair value gap. Now that we cleared sell side here, I want to see if we can get displacement to the upside, because I'm not really interested in getting short today because it's a Friday and we've already traded to my main weekly targets. So ideally I want this to be a failure swing here on ES off this order block right here. So everyone's wanting to get short right now. Why would I be wanting to get short? You know what I mean? Like, let me go back to NASDAQ just so I can see that regular trading hour gap. So there's buy side above here, and then we have the remaining portion of this regular trading hour gap to fill in short. And then I'm gonna, for today, my interest is gonna lie up here. Don't expect too much from today though, because I mean it could just consolidate. Because it's been an amazing week. Let's be honest. Like, for me, it's been a really good week in terms of price action. Okay, I think we're back up. Let me know in the comment section. Obviously, once again, I appreciate you guys always letting me know whenever YouTube decides to take my shit down, but I think we're back. Let me know. Let me know. So yeah, I'm not sure what all was the cutoff here, what you guys heard, but obviously I'm favoring higher prices right now up here, back above midnight. It could take off without me right now, but I'm hoping it gives me a retracement down into here, and then I can get long. If not, I'm just gonna let it go off without me, because then if I got long here, I would have to put my stop the whole way down here, and I'm not doing that wide of a stop. So yeah, I'm not desperate to get profits here today, because did pretty good this week. So shift in market structure, we have SMT divergence with the NASDAQ right here. And I want to see us get above, get to this high, and long term back above midnight. That's what I'm anticipating today. Doesn't mean it's gonna happen. Excuse my cough, guys. Pretty sick here. Rub that like button for me, please. Would appreciate that on a nice, fine Friday morning. So if we go down to this gap, I'm going to get long. And stop will go below here. If we get stopped out, I'll just be done for the day. I don't want to mess with it if it doesn't execute right here. And yeah. Alright, so boom, I can get long. Potential institutional order flow entry drill. Sell stop has to allow for it to come down here. Oh wow, I could have sworn I got a lower entry there, but oh well. Stop. It's gonna be at the bodies here, queen bodies. And then the sell limit will be up here. Boom, beautiful. Like I said, if I get stopped out today, I'm just gonna I'll be done for the day. I don't want to take multiple losses on a Friday, so no need for that. See what's going on NQ. Excuse me. So we had that S&T divergence with NASDAQ. And I want to see us find support right here at this breaker. This breaker right here. This up close candle. See that? And ideally, obviously, I'd want to see it hold right here, but the 62% retracement level. I'm pissed at this entry point right here because I could have sworn I entered down here and then somehow it just like magically was up here. So like I'm kind of confused by that. I don't know if you guys saw that or not, but so like it's like forcing me to have a wider stop. So if I were to take my stop, I'd take a bigger loss because I didn't get filled where I actually went long at. But so digging into this wick, I think that's reasonable. We're about at the midpoint of this 5-minute wick here. That's reasonable to me. Anything past that, I kind of just lose interest. So if we don't find support right here, then my interest is kind of gone for the day. In other words. But like I said in the beginning of the stream, I'm still favoring higher prices. Could be wrong, could be right. Whichever way, doesn't matter. But sell side was cleared on DXY, or buy side was cleared, sorry. Shifted below these lows here on DXY. Might want to return down here. Alright, I don't want to see it respect this now. I want to see it really displace above it. See how NQ like wicked off real hard? I don't like that. I want to see us displace higher. So this should act as would act as an inversion pair bag gap, but I don't want it to act as an inversion pair bag gap, obviously. Let me get that more accurate there. There we go. I'm pissed at this fill though, because obviously if you guys were looking at the stream, I went long right down here, but magically my fill just happened to be right here and making me have a wider stop. So if it filled correctly, it would be about, so 361.50. So yeah, that would be a more comfortable 4-point stop. Instead, it's the way up here. So yeah, I don't like how we're using this as inversion here. Definitely a red flag, but obviously I'm not going to close the trade until I have my stop loss down here, because I'm allowing for it to work down in here. And let me see if it got down to that volume imbalance. Not quite. But yeah, I'm favoring higher prices. We had S&P divergence. We had discount arrays traded to displacement off those discount arrays, and then a retracement. So if this doesn't play out here, then my interest is gone for the day. Like I said. Let me take out the Dow. Okay, so Dow also failed to make a lower low. Beautiful. See that? Tracing into that 15-minute imbalance. I want to see it trade higher off that. So now we just need to get above this inversion pair bag gap for get above that inversion pair bag gap. I'm so pissed at this entry though. Damn, I don't know why. Like it's really, realistically, it's not that big of a deal, but like I 1000% went long right here, and then my fill is just up here. All right, so above the inversion pair bag gap, beautiful. So technically, I'm trading. What I'm trying to trade here is an optimal trade entry, the 62% or 79% retracement level right here. I just needed to see displacement off that, and we got that, and then I went long. So technically, I'm trading an optimal trade entry. I'm not sure if my stream cut off or not, but I drew your guys' attention to excuse me. God damn it. Okay. Apologize, guys. Obviously, I'm sick. Anyways, what was I saying? Now I lost my train of thought, didn't I? Well, damn. So even though my fill is not accurate here, I'm still entering in a discount, so I guess it's not that big of a deal, really. So you see I'm in a discount, looking for premium arrays. Alright, so see how we got above the inversion fair value gap, and then right here on this candle we wick down, immediate rebalance right here, look at that. A 1 minute immediate rebalance right down to this candle's high here within this inversion fair value gap. So the fact that I just saw that gives me more confidence in my current position right now. Very beautiful signature right there. Dude, so tired of coughing. Starting to think I have cancer or something. Jesus, dude. Alright, so we're shifting to new highs. Beautiful. I'm still so, I'm so irked to see this hideous entry right here. Like, I wonder why I didn't fill down there. Maybe just, I don't know. We didn't return below that 930 opening, but if you look at NASDAQ, you see we did. Right there. See that? NASDAQ getting ready to sweep previous hour's high. So if I was using multiple contracts here, partial would have been taken up here at this previous hour high. Another one's coming off up here, and then holding runners on for up here at the London highs. But my sell limit's going to be up here, staying there, not going anywhere, because on a Friday, where I already did exceptionally well, 13.5 handles is way more than enough for me. I don't need to be greedy. Yeah, enough said. So I can move my sell stop up a little bit now. Is my stream still good, everyone? YouTube didn't randomly take it down again because I'm giving out gems. No? Good? Alright, well, there's hearts here, so I'm assuming good. Good morning, Hawk. Jam Hawk. Man, my members aren't being too chatty here today, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch it to public. There we go. But yeah, if you guys have been watching me and watching my execution videos, I still have that video rendering. I was gonna can't even get my words out here. I was going to, what was I gonna do? Morning, Rome. How you doing? Morning, Inferno. Why do I keep losing my train of thought? I don't know if it's because I'm coughing or... Take a Panado? Or... I don't know what that is. I gave you a crazy entry. Well, I'm glad to hear that because that's why I live stream, to share my trades and share my analysis. So, yeah, I hope you get some amazing profits here. shit, dude. What was I gonna say? Because it was actually kind of important. Oh, okay, yeah. So I have executions from yesterday. I have execution videos of my trade yesterday. Beautiful trade yesterday. Absolutely beautiful. About 20 handles. But, I mean, realistically, that's the part you guys don't give a fuck about. Because, I mean, like, who cares really about my profits and whatnot. The important part is, after that, I give my entire breakdown in-depth analysis. I'm literally handing out shit that is, like, being sold just for free. Nothing is held back. Nothing's left out. Every single thing I use for my trade is being put out in my videos here that I've been releasing. So that's going to be rendering here, and that should be up right after the stream. So I hope you guys do enjoy that one. And I know you will, because if you're, a real trader, you will. Anyway. So yeah, I just decided I didn't want to be, live streaming all up in this opening range here. I wanted to be set in place. So I think I would live stream at 10:10, and then I just so happened to get our setup 10 minutes later. So I'm very glad I decided to sit out the opening range on a Friday. Now, realistically, since I started my stream later, I'm gonna have less viewers, but I mean, obviously that's the least important part here. If you're doing it for the viewers, you're not doing it for the right reasons. So alright, so now I want to see institutional order flow. I want to see us respect this down close candle. Not the end of the world if it breaks it, but if we're in a strong buy program right now, we'll follow institutional order flow entry drill as it's coded, and we'll respect this candle here, and then reach for previous hour's high. Oh, I'm dying over here, guys. Holy shit. I'm not gonna lie, I just puked a little bit. I have a trash can right next to me, so. But fuck it. Fuck being sick. I'm not using that excuse. I'm live streaming. I'm gonna be outlining everything here for you guys. And yeah, fuck it. We're here. We're not going anywhere. Alright, so take a look at this 5-minute order block that was formed. I didn't say anything real time, but obviously I was looking at it. Jesus, okay, I feel a little bit better now that I just like puked a little bit, cleared my throat a little bit, but Jesus, like, so tired of coughing. But anyways, 5-minute order block formed, 1 minute time frame. We're wicking at the high end of that and key off of that, so you can see that there. And technically, from this high to low, we overlap that. This will be a balanced price range, so no real need to come back down to this inefficiency right here. So I like that we left that open. Alright, guys, I'll be right back. I gotta blow my nose. Alright, guys, I'm back. Nose is blown, and I got myself a water, so we good. So, don't be worried with this retracement. It probably will just retrace into this 5-minute fair value gap, and then maybe retest this, or not retest, sorry, tap into this order block here. So sell stop is remaining below that 5-minute order block. It's not going anywhere unless we get above this high. Then sell stop goes to break even. Because you never know. Like, this is where psychology comes into play, obviously, and things get a little rough, and you're gonna start doubting yourself. But if it wicks down here, it can overlap this gap a little bit, wick down, and then there's always a chance your sell stop's going to be taken, but I don't believe that's going to be taking place here today, though. So now, if they do leave this open here, this would be a breakaway gap, and this would just tell me that we're gonna probably be getting pretty animated to the upside. Oh, shit. Animated to the upside. I thought I was gonna puke again. Goddamn. Yeah, Marco. Yeah. I'm sorry, guys. You guys probably don't want to hear me coughing and shit all up in the mic, but it is what it is. I'm still giving out value and whatnot, so fuck it. Jose, you are right. I do need some tea, hot tea. Yeah. If you're sick, don't go to the doctor, because they're just gonna try to give you like some pills or like some fucking bullshit that's not even gonna. I mean, maybe it'll help temporarily, but it's not good for you. Natural remedies only. Now, if you have cancer or something like that, or something crazy like that, obviously you're gonna go to the doctor. But other than that, you don't need them. I promise. There's so many things out there that they don't tell you about that can naturally heal you. Why don't they tell you about it? Because they need to sell their pills and all their other bullshit. Simple as that. So. Let me see if NASDAQ got into that high, because we were pretty close proximity. Okay, so we did sweep that 10 o'clock high. And obviously I don't believe this is the end of the run whatsoever. We're just simply retracing into a 5-minute fair value gap. But yeah, no fucking excuses. I was gonna be like, I kind of feel like shit this morning. I'm still a little sick. I don't think I'm gonna live stream. I think I'm just gonna look at the charts on my own. But I was like, nah, fuck that. Inferno, you been sick too? Nah, Mad Cats, I definitely don't have strep, because I would have immense pain in my throat, and I don't have that, so. Appreciate you, Lily. Travis, pleasure to have you here. If you're interested in more, I'm trying to shift more towards private live streams, because I don't know, I just don't like doing public sometimes. But if you're more interested, you might want to just join the private live streams. Honestly, it's basically free. I mean, it's $6 a month, but you're gonna be making more money watching my stream. So obviously not every day is going to be a winner, but so I want to see what we do. I want to see this act as a balanced price range, obviously. So this right here. So this right here is like, would be like a, this could be like a 5-minute entry for anyone that hasn't entered yet. This would be a beautiful 5-minute entry. As soon as it dips down here, go long, and then sell stop would be right below mean threshold of this order block here. So yeah, let's run down on that. See what I said before on the 5-minute time frame? Not sure if you guys caught this, but see how we traded to midpoint of this wick, respected that beautifully, and then traded off. Beautiful. So many people are sick, man. Just got my aunt just got COVID. I'm guessing that's what you meant to say. And you're sick too. Damn, dude. Well, I hope you guys get better. Ginger with lime or lemon, add honey. Will do, Pippin. No, because the drink I've been having the past couple of days, it's just simply hot water with, I'll put honey in there, tiny bit of sea salt, turmeric, what else? A little bit of ginger. Oh, and a little bit of apple cider vinegar, and yeah, I think that's it. Alright, so no need to get all worried right now. It's just simply a retracement. Yeah, a little too deep on the NASDAQ, though. I don't like that. See that? We are at mean threshold. That's permissible, but anything past that, then yeah, no. So this fair value gap needs to hold right now, in other words. And if it doesn't, I'm gonna have to close my trade on ES, which obviously I'm not looking to do, but then again, it is August, I guess, right? And can't always expect top-notch precision. We are trading into a mitigation block. If you look at this up close candle, we have a low, high, failure to make a lower low. Yikes. Let's look at NASDAQ. Alright, so we're finding initial support. So yeah, if we don't, I'm looking at the NASDAQ. If we don't find support here soon, or continue finding support here, I'm gonna have to close my trade on ES. But overall, I'm still confident in my trade. I'm not like abandoning anything. Because like I said, there's a reason why you would have your stop below order block, because mean threshold, that's permissible. See how, okay, whoa, damn, that's actually pretty precise there. Not that I'm surprised, because I'm not, but get right down to that midpoint and wick off instantly. Even if it weren't to play out, you still see the real-time precision on that price point. But at the very beginning of the stream, I was looking for higher prices, still looking for higher prices. Nothing's changing that this morning, honestly. I'm going to go ahead and mark out the low of this 1 hour fair value gap. So you see that on the 1 hour. Nope, not the 4 minute. So we look how we got above it, and we're showing support to that 1 hour fair value gap high right now. See that? That's this black line right here, and there's this balanced price range. So yeah, I need to see this hold. Obviously it is right now, but I want to see a shift up into new highs. NASDAQ needs to get above these inefficiencies here, for sure. This is one of those moments where you wouldn't want to be on the 1 minute time frame. Zoom out. You know what I mean? Like, so I want to see what we do dipping into this volume imbalance. Honestly, I'll be very surprised if this trade doesn't pan out, because everything I was looking for, everything I was anticipating, it all played out, and all my confluences came together. So I'd honestly be pretty surprised if this trade were to not play out. Very strong weekly candle though here. I don't think we quite got into that. Yeah, we didn't quite get to that weekly fair value gap, but we still took the sell side we were looking for. So that's enough for me. Alright, so beautiful precision on the volume imbalance. Once again, until we get above this high, I can't move my stops to break even. Discord chat, man, everyone wants a Discord chat. Honestly, I don't really use Discord at all, but I don't know. Do you guys think that'd be useful, a Discord chat, really? I mean, I have the live streams here, but I guess that's not a bad idea. Dow still holding up. You want to win the giveaway? Well, like I said in my tweet, I believe I said the next giveaway is going to be September 11th. So you can look forward to that. Once again, it's just all of my private members. One of them just randomly selected. I just kind of mix them up. One randomly selected. Whoever that is, I'll announce it on stream, and they will get anywhere from $500 to $1,000, somewhere in that range. So just kind of sharing my trading profits. That's pretty much all that is. So yeah, my main interest my main interest rests above here. So let me flip this. Main interest is up here, but my sell limit's up here. Why? Because it's 13.5 handles. That's all I need. I don't need any more. That's why. Alright, so boom, stops going to break even. And let's see if we can get to that sell limit now. Look at that beautiful run off that volume imbalance there. It's beautiful. Come on, get up there. I know you want to. Come on. So yeah, not only did I take my 1 minute entry, but I called out this 5 minute entry real time. You guys clearly saw that. Not beating my chest or anything. I'm just, nothing to hindsight over here. Nothing to held back. Go ahead and hit that like button if you found some insights here. Alright, seems like everyone wants a Discord, so I'm just going to say fuck it and make a Discord, honestly. So... Damn, I hate when this happens. Look how close it got to my sell limit, and it just trades off. I swear this happens more times than it should. Literally the closest it could possibly get, and then just trades off. It's like it just wants to fuck with me. It's like watching my streams or something. I wish YouTube had, like, I want to keep everything on YouTube, so, like, I wish there was, like... Well, actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I do... for my private members know that I make a lot of private posts. You can, like, on YouTube, as a creator, you can make private posts, and then only your private YouTube members can view it, obviously. So, yeah, I could communicate with you guys there. You guys can get up in the comments. I mean, literally ask anything. I'll answer anything. I don't care. I'm not conceited. So this will be 13.5 handles here. From down here. I love how close it just gets to my sell limit, and then just nah, we're not gonna get there yet. Sorry, buddy. The hell was that? Alright, maybe I should get back to ES just in case. So I want to see it key off this imbalance and go to my sell limit. Obviously, what else would I want to do? Trade lower? Not go to my sell limit, huh? But yeah, AJ, welcome. Glad to have you here. I'm sure if you haven't seen it already, you know there's value over here. Of course. Come on, get up there. Stop fucking with me. I know you're watching my stream, but... Jose, you'll have to do it on a laptop. I don't believe you can do it on your mobile phone. It's kind of stupid, but if you do want to join, then you'll have to do that on a phone. Or I'm sorry, no. You have to do it on a laptop. Sorry. There we go. Dude, like, look at that. Like, look how close to getting to my sell limit. It's just not trading up to it. Obviously, I'm not getting all emotional and stuff right now, but, like, dude, I'm sick. Cut me some slack. At this point, I might as close the trade. Nah, let me stop. Because if you guys see once my newest video is posted up today, it'll be a review with executions from yesterday. Wasn't able to post it last night, but you'll see I trailed my stop up and had my trade closed too early just because I was being too impatient. But yeah, there is going to be an initial buy side up here at the 7 o'clock high. Trailed buy stops from those who were trading London session. Run up that like button for me, please. We have 35 viewers, 20 likes, so could we get up to 30 potentially? Please, please. Please and thank you. Dude, that is so annoying though. I mean, just look at that. Look at this fuckery. Patience, my friend. Alright, yeah. Okay, nah, I'm actually happy with my stop. Never mind. You know how much that would irk me, though, if we got that close to my sell stop? Or my take profit, and then it comes the whole way down. I'm not surprised if they would drive it below the swing, though, because there's going to be a lot of guys chasing price higher, and then they'll drive it below this low. So I'm not surprised by that at all. So stop will go below the volume imbalance now that I'm looking at it. I mean, honestly, you can't you can't do anything but laugh at this. I mean, quarter of a point comes within a quarter of a point of my sell limit twice. And NASDAQ kind of just NASDAQ just retraced into that balanced price range and 5-minute order block. NASDAQ looks a little sloppy for me though, honestly, but not too sloppy. But yeah, I'm not surprised that they drove it down below the swing low, because there's going to be a lot of guys chasing price, and as soon as it dips down to that fair, they'll be like, oh, this is that institutional order flow I was being told about. And they'll go long, and then it comes right back down, snaps, and then goes higher. Alright, there we go. There she is. So this will be 13.5 handles. So you guys can see this was my only trade. I didn't secretly take trades prior to me live streaming at 10 So yeah, I'm very content with 13.5 handles. Obviously, I do believe that we're going to be going up to these highs here, but there's nothing more to be said. 13.5 handles is, I mean, that's beautiful returns. I don't need to get greedy. But yeah, let's be real. Who cares about my trades here? Like my executions, like no one actually cares. The important takeaway of this is just to like look at my real-time psychology and just look at everything I was outlining real time and just learn from it. Like I want you guys to learn whenever you come to my live streams, not just, you know, oh, look at this guy, he's such a good trader, oh my god, like that type of, I don't know, whatever. I'm gonna have to end this pretty soon here. Get in the comments, put in your 2 cents, thoughts, opinions, any questions that you might have. Just ask me any questions that you have. I will have a review posted tonight, more in depth, but guys, make sure, before I leave, make sure, this would be very much appreciated, make sure I have a video coming out after the stream. I have a video coming out a couple hours after the stream. It's going to be execution from yesterday. I actually did end up trading the NASDAQ, surprisingly. Ended up being about 20 handles. But I have that trade executions recorded. Everything's recorded live, obviously. And then right after that, which is the important part of the video, right after that, I have the entire breakdown. Nothing held back. I'm literally giving every single ounce of analysis that I used to take the trade. And yeah, I hope you guys find insights on that video that I'm going to be posting. And hit that like button and comment like you guys are in the live streams here, because it'll help me reach more people. And more people will be getting real information as opposed to all the fakers out there. So I would appreciate if you guys help me out with that. But yeah, Sean, Christine, Duke, appreciate you guys being here. The TGIF play. I'm going to be honest. I did not watch the TGIF video. I don't really need to. Not to sound conceited or whatever else the word might be. I'm just kind of at a point where I don't really need to watch ICT videos anymore at all. I mean, I've been watching them since like late 2019, so I found like I don't need to watch any more YouTube videos, guys. What I need to do is share the knowledge that I already have right now, because I already have my model. What I just traded here today, that's my model. Like, I have my model. There's no need for me to continue watching YouTube videos all day. Like, but yeah, notice the confidence in my trade today. But notice I only used one contract, and I have a higher time frame target up here, which it's more than likely to be traded to. I do believe that. And notice I closed the trade one contract at 13.5 handles. That's discipline, and that's knowing that secured, beautiful gains like this are more important than being right. So I think there's enough said there. Once again, I appreciate you guys. I'm going to be posting a video a couple hours after the stream ends from yesterday. Executions, analysis. It's a very good video. That's all I got to say. And you'll definitely learn from it. So I would appreciate you guys if you dropped a like on that video and commented so I can help reach more people. Yeah, I think that's all she wrote here. So I'll see you guys Monday in a live stream. The Monday live stream will be private as normal because it's a Monday. So, yeah, all love, guys. See you guys Monday.